I am making zucchini carrot cake. Normally what I do, since I'm making several zucchini recipes today, I'm not even cleaning my bowl. Normally what I do is I just grate my zucchini straight in my bowl first. Okay, now I've got my carrots. I am using a spice cake mix. But if you want to make it from scratch, right here, Dining on a Dime, Volume 1. Then I have milk that I need to use up. And then my oil, right there. Gonna throw that in. And we're gonna mix this all up. All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven and let it bake. A zucchini carrot cake. Oh, look at that. Oh, yum. Okay, here we go. Mmm, that is delicious.